Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to enable or disable USB ports on your Windows 11 computer. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Open the search menu on Windows. Type Device Manager and press Enter to open it. Step 2. Expand the USB section. In the Device Manager window, find and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Step 3, select the USB device to disable or enable. Double dash, click on the USB hub or device you want to modify. For example, if you want to disable a USB 3.0 port, select the corresponding device. Step 4, disable the USB device. Go to the driver tab. Click disable device and confirm by selecting yes. Step 5. Re-enable the USB device if needed. To re-enable the device, follow the same steps and select Enable Device instead of Disable Device.